Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do some toddler hairstyles. It's probably gonna be like a voiceover because I don't know how this is gonna work. She needs to watch her iPad when I do her hair because she won't let me do her hair. Hopefully she lets me do her hair today. I'm gonna try to do 3 hairstyles and see how it goes. Anyways, I'm gonna get into it, so just keep watching. Smile, Liv, say hi. She's got crazy hair. No, she really doesn't have crazy hair, but I'll talk right now just because I know that she's watching it without sound, and right now she's okay, but I got this. It's a Conair, like, little bristle brush. It's easier to get brush your hair. So, yeah, so it's easier to get their hair that way. So I'm going to try to position her the right way. See how she's not letting me do it?
No.
I'm going to go get a different brush so she can hold the other brush. What? You want me to put sound on? Okay, I'm gonna put sound on, so this part's gonna be a voiceover.
This next hairstyle is basically a half down, half up hairstyle. I got the bow off of Amazon. They're a little bit sturdier than Target bows. They're big, they're super cute, and I will leave the link in the description for the bow. As you can see here, I am spraying some detangler spray on her little brush and combing down her little baby hairs so they look a little bit more put together and really cute. This hairstyle is the same thing as the half down, half up, but you're going to go all the way down and make it like a fake French braid pony. Super cute. Top it off with a bow and you're good to go. This next one is my favorite. You just section off half of the head and you do the same thing that we did last time. So you do a fake French braid and then you go all the way down and you do the same thing to the other side, and it's like fake French braid pigtails. I love this style, super cute.
Okay guys, so we are done. I just did 3. I was gonna do her little space buns she does, but I don't really want to mess with this because she's getting fussy. As you can see, she's getting fussy, and this is cute for the day, so maybe I'll do another toddler hairstyle hack as well. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to do more, but she obviously got kind of fussy, and she's 2, so it's kind of hard. But if you guys have any other suggestions of what I should do and how I should style fine toddler hair, let me know, because I'm always looking forward to do other cute styles with her, and I will see you guys later.